guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shivangi Kumar and welcome to our most favorite haul of all time, the Nykaa sale haul. Yes, I know जितनी बार भी Nykaa पे sale लगती है, we are eagerly waiting for these hauls. I mean, I personally do. So Nykaa is here with the end of season sale of up to 40% off on all products. So this is like the right time to get the products that you already had in your wish list. इसमें बहुत सामान है. I'm gonna be showing you each one of them. So yeah, stay till the end and hit the subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. So let's begin the haul. So the first product that I want to talk about is Dot & Key's Vitamin C Serum Concentrate. So this is the photo of the first day that I started using the Vitamin C serum, and this is the last, like the 30th day, and see the difference. I mean, even if you can't tell, let me explain it to you. So I had like very tiny bumps here, and on my chin as well, and I also had acne scars. But जिस दिन से मैंने विटामिन सी सीरम यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया, पहले तो मैं बहुत स्केप्टिकल थी, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि कोई भी टाइप का सीरम मेरे स्किन पे काम करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. बट विटामिन सी इज़ समथिंग वेरी बेसिक दैट ऑल ऑफ अस शुड बी यूजिंग, बिकॉज इससे स्किन की डलनेस और थोड़ी बहुत पिगमेंटेशन एंड डिहाइड्रेशन जो स्किन की हो जाती है, ये सब पे ये काम करता है. तो आई वॉज लाइक, व्हाई नॉट. आई यूज इट 30 days straight, every night, 4 drops every night on my face, followed by a moisturizer, and this is the result, which is why I bought a second bottle. So its original price is 1045 rupees, but on sale I got it for 941 rupees, which is a good amount because serums, अच्छे सीरम्स महंगे ही आते हैं थोड़े. Dot & Key is known for skin transformation and I am the living proof of it. So अगर तुम्हारी स्किन में भी तुम्हें लगता है कि ग्लो की कमी है, डलनेस हो रही है, you have pigmentation or dark spots or something, you can start with the basic and it's gonna help you a lot. So moving on to the next product, I have a hair mask with me. Okay, so मेरे पास पहले Skin Elements का hair mask हुआ करता था, which had argan oil, which worked fine on my hair. Like I was really loving it. After like I think 2 years, it stopped working on my hair. My hair used to get like really greasy and heavy, like मुझे ऐसा feel होता था. So I came across Matrix Violet Smooth Proof Smoothing Mask, which is specifically for frizzy hair. Okay, सबसे पहले तो I want to talk about the quantity. Okay, this is a big tub. You can see this is a big tub and it is filled up to the mark. If you can see, it was filled up to the mark. मैं काफ़ी बार यूज़ ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ अभी. This mask satisfies quality and quantity. बेसिकली मुझे इस पर डिस्काउंट नहीं मिला. ये 490 रुपीज़ का है, अब मुझे 490 रुपीज़ का ही मिला. बट आई मीन आई थिंक इट्स ओके, बिकॉज जितना बड़ा ये टब है एंड जितना ये और ऊपर तक भरा हुआ है, आई नो कि मेरे कुछ नहीं तो 4-5 महीने ईजिली निकल जाएंगे. बिकॉज मास्क इज समथिंग यू डोंट यूज़ लाइक एवरी वीक. आई डोंट यूज़ इट एवरी वीक. आई यूज़ इट ओनली व्हेन आई फील लाइक कि मेरे बाल काफ़ी ड्राई हो गए हैं. आफ्टर यूजिंग इट आई रियली फेल्ट लाइक माई हेयर वॉज अ लिटिल मोर शाइनियर, मोर लशरस, काफ़ी मैनेजेबल, काफ़ी सिल्की, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड. I mean, even if you look at my hair right now, it's looking nice. Oh, now I have this sugar lip scrub with me. Okay, I want to talk about this because I heard a lot of hype around lip scrub. I was always fascinated and I was like, I should get one. So I got this lip scrub by N Candy Floss. This is how it looks. Its original price is 500, but I got it for 400 rupees, which is I think a bit expensive, but I liked it. तो अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. And it looks something like this from inside. It has raw sugar, coconut oil and bubblegum flavor. Okay, vitamin E, and these are the ingredients that it has. And let me tell you, it totally works. It totally works from the first application. All you have to do is take a little, like itna hi, and then all you need to do is scrub it all over your lips like so. Keep doing it like when you go to bed, uske pehle kar lo, or maybe when you're washing your face in the morning, do it then. And my lips haven't been chappy since then. Gets your blood going when you massage your lips. It has to work right. Then we have green tea face mist by Plum. ये मैंने Nykaa से नहीं लिया है, but I really wanted to include it in this video. You will need this during the summer specifically. Whenever I know that I have to travel for a long time in this heat, or maybe run errands, or maybe drive a lot, तो उस टाइम पे क्या होता है, यू रियली कांट कीप रीअप्लाइंग योर सनस्क्रीन, यू रियली कांट बी रीअप्लाइंग और रीटचिंग योर मेकअप. इट गेट्स डर्टी बट इट गेट्स लाइक रियली रियली टायरिंग. सो दैट्स व्हेन यू यूज़ दिस. अपने फेस पे इसको स्प्रे कर लो, ठीक है. उसके बाद जस्ट कीप अ टिश्यू ऑन योर फेस, वाइप इट ऑल ऑफ एंड यू आर गोना फील रिफ्रेश्ड. I mean, take my word for it. So इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस 360 रुपीज़ है, बट इफ़ यू गो ऑन नायका यू विल गेट इट फॉर 306 रुपीज़. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ ऑल्सो बाय प्लम. इट इज़ ग्रीन टी अल्कोहल फ्री टोनर. सो इसको मैं इसलिए इंक्लूड कर रही हूँ इस वीडियो में बिकॉज दिस इज़ समथिंग आई वॉन्ट टू कीप एम्फेसाइजिंग ऑन. इफ़ यू हैव एक्ने स्किन, इफ़ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन, use this toner. It's gonna change your skin, it's gonna transform your skin. If you have a cluster of whiteheads here, or maybe you have acne scars on your face, or maybe you break out every other day, you need to use a toner, and that too a green tea one. This one I cannot go a day without this toner. I cannot. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैंने आज ये टोनर यूज़ नहीं किया तो my skin will break out the next day. Then we have another product by Dot & Key. I have become a fan of Dot & Key because Dot & Key के products somehow have worked on my skin, and it's amazing. It's amazing when you find one brand that caters to your skin, that suits your skin. बहुत मुश्किल होती है, मतलब इतने साल मुझे स्किन केयर यूज़ करते हुए this is the first time I'm like really happy that I can rely on one brand. So I have a moisturizer with me. It's called 72-hour hydrating gel plus probiotics. Basically it has kombucha, it has hyaluronic acid which helps with the oily skin, which helps with the dullness of the skin. It hydrates your skin, helps the skin that is acne prone. My skin. इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस है 745 रुपीज़, बट आई गॉट इट फॉर 671 रुपीज़, विच इज़ अ गुड अमाउंट. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. जेल फॉर्मेट में है, तो तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड डॉट एंड की का एक बहुत सही प्रोग्राम चल रहा है. यू कैन रिटर्न 4 empties, एनी 4 empties, यू विल बी गेटिंग आई गेस अराउंड 600 रुपीज़ का रिवॉर्ड. सो यू कैन बाय अनदर प्रोडक्ट. दे लुक क्यूट, दीज बॉटल्स लुक क्यूट, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल बी लाइक कि इसका मैं करूँ क्या. मेरे पास रखी है, I'm collecting those 4 and then I'll be returning them to Dot & Key, and in exchange I can get another new product. So this is like really good. Third bottle, सबसे पहले मुझे Dot & Key ने as PR package भेजा था. I started using it and I loved it. Then I started putting my own money into it. This has come out of my own money. Not a sponsored video guys, not a sponsored video, not a big channel जो मुझे भी sponsor करे, but please do sponsor me sometime next time. Okay, so this is completely unsponsored, my own opinion, and this works amazingly well. Okay, so this last product is how do I say it, I'm 50-50 about it. So this is Dot & Key's lip plumping sleeping mask. I know काफ़ी लोगों ने lip plumping mask देखे होंगे whenever we see these celebrities. तो Dot & Key का भी lip plumping एक mask है, but I'm not truly satisfied with it. But it also has one good thing about it. सबसे पहले तो मैं खोल के बताती हूँ. This is how the bottle looks, and इतनी तो ये बड़ी bottle है. It's completely filled with lip mask, but it's not exactly a lip mask. Basically it's a lip balm, but it vanishes as soon as you put it on or drink some water. It doesn't stay, it just doesn't absorb. It kind of does nothing. Maybe you can use it as a lip tint or something, but अगर मैं इसको sleeping mask के point of view से सोचूँ तो it doesn't work. But it's like an year's supply of lip balm, because it's a tub full of lip balm. You can use it as lip gloss, as lip tint, as blush, but sleeping mask का काम नहीं किया इसने. The mask really works as a good lip gloss. Alright, so this was it for Nykaa end of season sale haul. I hope you liked it. I hope मेरे जो recommendations हैं, मेरे जो products जो मैंने तुम्हें अभी दिखाए तुम्हें हेल्प करें. बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड कि हम हर प्रोडक्ट खरीद के यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. नॉट एवरी वन हैज़ the privilege or the means to afford it, but that is why we are here. That is why we YouTubers work so hard to make videos for you, and we put in our hard-earned money to get these products. और मे बी कभी PR से मिल गया तो वी यूज़ इट, रिव्यू इट एंड लेट यू नो सो दैट you can make your decisions wisely. So if I've helped you in any way possible, please make sure to share this video, like it and hit the notification bell icon so that you would know whenever my next video comes up. And I will take this opportunity to also let you know that I've started a series called Self Love Sunday, which comes on every Sunday. It's all about taking care of your health, body, hair, mind and everything else. We will be indulging in how to take care of ourselves in and out. It will help me make a community out of it. It will help me connect with you guys. So if you have any question, any suggestions for Self Love Sunday series, you're most welcome to do so. Also please follow me on Instagram. I've just started a new account, guys. I've left my old account which was at 16,000, but let's not get into it. I've created a new account. Please follow me there. I would be super grateful to you. So I'm taking that you had fun watching this video. Thank you for watching.